In Japanese, vowel length is meaning. If you change how long a vowel is held, the word can change completely. Today, we'll learn how long vowels work in Hiragana, following the same rules taught in standard textbooks like Minna no Nihongo. The most important thing to understand first is this. A long vowel is not stressed. It is not louder. It is not a different sound. It is the same vowel, held longer. Now, let's look at how long vowels are written in Hiragana. The rule depends on which vowel row the sound belongs to. For the a row, long vowels are made by adding a. For example, oba-san, oba-san. That extra a tells you to hold the a sound longer. For the I row, long vowels are made by adding I. For example, oji-san, oji-san. The I sound is extended smoothly. For the row, long vowels are made by adding u. For example, yuki, yuki. The vowel does not change. It is simply longer. Now we move to the two rows that often confuse learners. For the I row, long vowels are usually written using I. For example, sensei, keiken. Even though I is written, the sound is pronounced as a long I. You do not switch your mouth to an I sound. You hold the I sound longer. This is the standard pronunciation in modern Japanese. For the O row, long vowels are usually written using U. For example, koukou, Tokyo. Again, even though U is written, the sound becomes a long O. You do not pronounce a separate U. You stretch the O sound. These spellings are fixed. They must be learned as part of reading and pronunciation. Now, let's talk briefly about exceptions. Sometimes, long vowels are written using the same vowel twice. For example, e, o. These do exist, but they are less common than the e and o patterns. The pronunciation rule stays the same. The vowel is simply held longer. What matters most is this. When you see an extra vowel in Hiragana, your job is not to pronounce each vowel separately. Your job is to identify which vowel is being extended. Then hold that vowel for a longer time. Let's practice hearing the difference. Yuki, yuki. The sound changes because the timing changes. Native speakers hear that timing immediately. A helpful way to practice is to count beats. Short vowels are 1 beat. Long vowels are 2 beats. If you can feel that difference, your pronunciation is on the right track. Long vowels may look small on the page, but they play a huge role in how natural your Japanese sounds. Once you master this rule, many listening and speaking problems disappear. In the next video, we'll continue building on pronunciation rules that Japanese speakers use automatically. Keep practicing out loud. You're learning this the right way.